Welcome to winter. I think it's finally here.
Look how much snow there is. Here, I'm 4'10", so this is how high this is. 3 feet.
And that's only having our driveway plowed, what, once?
Once, yeah. Look.
Once, so. Pretty big snow drift for having been plowed once.
Close to 4 feet?
Yep.
That's how I measure things, my height. That's how I measure Mom because she's 5 foot, so
yeah.
If it's 10 foot up, 2 moms.
Kelly has to shovel our way into the barn. Fun. Hello ladies, how are you enjoying the snow? Not very much. Most of them are not out here. They're hiding out in the chicken house, trying to stay warm.
I can't feel my toe. I have one toe that's like frozen.
Can you feel your toes, people? I can't.
Mine are pretty cold, and so are my fingers because I don't have my
Mine
gloves
are fine,
on.
But this is because, look, like my hair.
And I told her on the way to the farm, where's your hat?
I had a hoodie on for a bit.
Yeah, well, I'm not
nice.
sure the hoodie is enough.
Well, I wear this for a hat because it's a scarf hat.
Yeah, that's cool.
Where
I
did
like
you
it.
get it? That...
No, my first year's form.
Need to cut eye holes.
Ew.
That's called a what's it called?
Yeah.
Which way?
So
Eye.
for once, who's going to give it to us?
Oh, really?
And there's this one weird one.
It's creepy.
It
It looks like a turtle face.
Turtle face because there's only a little bit for your mouth, and it has this weird
Eye.
nose covering thing, and then eyes. It looks
It
like
looks
a
like
monster.
I think it would look
I'll
like one of the
take
Ninja Turtles.
It'll keep you warm though. Look at his curly
Hi.
hair, so long.
It's longer than mine.
Mhm.
Hi. Horse.
Hello. It's okay. Yeah, I'll take that. Uh-huh.
Now mine's big enough. My angel's big enough for real. Of course, it doesn't look like it has a head.
Crazy.
It's a Hawkman. He's Hawkman.
Well, he doesn't have a head. Mine's flaming
Yeah.
its arm.
They should do